Hello students, Vasumati Mokashi welcomes you in your English class. Today we are going to learn question number 6b. Expand the theme in that news report. बच्चों, ये वीडियो बनाने के पीछे मेरा मकसद है कि बहुत सारे लोगों को ये प्रश्न बहुत कठिन लगता है, लेकिन मुझे आशा है ये वीडियो देखकर आप लोगों को एग्जैक्ट आइडिया आ जाएगी न्यूज़ रिपोर्ट की। तो चले हम चलते हैं मैगज़ीन रिपोर्ट फॉर्मेट। हेडिंग, अ डिस्क्रिप्टिव टाइटल that is expressive for the content of the report. Second point, byline. Name of the person writing the report. It is generally given in the question. Remember, you are not supposed to mention your personal details in your answer. The opening paragraph. Introduction. It may include the 5 W's, namely what, why, when and where, along with who was invited as the chief guest. Fourth point, the account of the event in detail. The proper sequence of events that occurred along with their description. It is the main paragraph and can be split into 2 short paragraphs if required. Last point, conclusion. This will include a description of how the event ended. It may include quote, expert from the chief guest. Last point, conclusion. This will include a description of how the event ended. It may include quote, experts from the chief guest. In this slide, we will see how to write a newspaper report. Write the headline here in large letters. Who is involved, what happened, when, where. Draw and label a picture to go with your report. Describe in more detail what happened and why. A quote is a comment from someone about what happened. Can you include a quote here? Remember to identify who said it. Next slide, points to remember. Try to use suitable language for the given audience. Try to write in paragraphs. Plan before you write anything. Make a list of all important points in rough first. Try to do the presentation as clean and precise as possible. Try to be grammatically correct with no spelling errors. Underline the main points. Now we will see as a sample. Question. As a member of the NSS group of your school, write a report for your school magazine on a recently organized blood donation camp. You are Kritika. Now we will see answer. Blood donation camp, that is the title. Kritika, that is the writer's name. Member NSS, that is the designation. XYZ School, 14 October 2021. Place and date. A blood donation camp was organized on October 13, 2021. The activities of the camp were carried out by the NSS wing of the school and the Blood of India Blood Bank. The chief guest for this occasion was the noted senior doctor of Apollo Hospital, Dr. Bhatt. He inaugurated the event by donating blood himself. For a week before the camp, special efforts were put in to create awareness. This encouraged people to donate blood without any apprehension. Consequently, the number of blood donors surpassed the estimated number. Blood of India appointed 10 doctors for the event. They worked throughout the day to collect blood. The donors were given juice and fruits after the donation. Later, the chief guest presented the NSS volunteers with appreciation certificates. He congratulated everyone for organizing this noble event. That is the body of the report. Now we will see another news report. Car thief caught trapped in target vehicle. That is a headline. Now byline, name of the author. Jim Day, staff reporter, Wednesday, Feb 25th, 2009. Next, place line. Canberra. A bungling Australian car thief was nabbed after accidentally locking himself in the vehicle he was trying to steal, police said Wednesday. Now you can see here, these are the leading lines. Catches reader interest, most important information, introduces topic, answers most of the 5 Ws. Police were called to a house in Adelaide after two thieves were heard trying to steal a car. On arrival, they were surprised to find a 53-year-old man hiding inside the vehicle. The man, while breaking into the car, had locked himself in the car and couldn't get out. South Australian police said, adding a second thief was found hiding in nearby bushes. These two paragraphs are body of the report, and the last, that is the quotation. I think, hope students, you must understood the report writing. Thank you.